Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really cool layered card for you. This is my Pumpkin in the Field layered card. Isn't that so neat? I love the different dimension of this front cover panel, that sweet little pumpkin, and all of that fun fall foliage. It's just a really fun card. There's a spot on the inside for your message, and of course I include an envelope as well. This card is really simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account on my website, you can go ahead and click sign up. You'll be brought to a page with our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. You can go ahead and view the different options and pick which membership is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'm going to go ahead and enter in my credentials and log into the website. And now we're logged into the website. To access the file library, you can head to the Files tab in the main navigation bar. Now this particular project is free, so it will be located in the free files as well as the file library. I'm going to go ahead and click File Library. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 357. That is the Pumpkin in the Field layered card. Go ahead and click the image, download the file to your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to do a few things to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope, highlight the score lines, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. When the score lines for the envelope and the card base have been converted, you can go ahead and click Make It, and you'll see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this card. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have all of our pieces cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we're going to do is layer up the front cover panel. So to do that, we're going to start with this reddish color, then pink, then the green, orange, and then the green outline layer. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer this together, so I would refer you to that. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit while I get this put together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, there is our front cover panel. I love the sky. You can totally see the different movement in there. It's really, really cool. I'm going to set that to the side for just a moment. We can go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. Now we can take our card base, go ahead and fold and burnish along the score line. Let's open up our card base and add our messaging panel to the inside of the card. Go ahead and close that up, and then add our front cover panel to the front of the card. And there is our Pumpkin in the Field layered card. I'll set that to the side and show you how to make the envelope really quick. For the envelope, we're just going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take the inlay panel, add glue to the outer edge of the inlay. Add the inlay to the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. You may want to put the card inside the envelope, since all those different layers for that front cover panel can make the card a little bit thicker. Go ahead and bring the side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And you can see that that's given you a little bit of a pocket to make sure that there's enough space there. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How fun is this scene? It's such a cool card, and I hope that you like it. If you make this, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!